I've always felt that there's no better way to celebrate my birthday than to get out into nature and keep it real for the day. So here we are on my, you know what, the number doesn't even matter. The main thing is that we're here in Cradle Mountain National Park on this crisp winter's day, and we're ready for an adventure.
Scared one of them. Hopefully they don't attack us then. So our plan for today is to follow the Dove Lake circuit around the base of these mountains, around the lake, all the way around to there, and then we're going to cut up past Lake Wilkes to the face track that cuts across under Cradle, and then come back along this ridge line over Hanson's Peak and Campbell, and then back down to here to catch the shuttle back up to the village.
That's something.
It's a lookout. The rock is actually underneath the lookout.
I thought it was a park today.
No. Wow. It is quite the view though, is it not?
Right.
From Glacier Rock, we travel clockwise on the Dove Lake circuit. The circuit is pretty easy going and is largely boardwalked these days. I'm not complaining though. It's still a stunning walk around this spectacular lake.
How cool. This bit, it's because there's moss. Always because there's moss.
And then, unforecasted snowfall. Well, a dusting at least, but we're from Queensland, so it still counts.
Substantial hazards ahead. Good pastry. Nice.
Damn, this place is turning into a bit of a winter wonderland.
We're going straight up there, up the chains, and then taking a left at some point around that ridge line all the way back. We did the chains. How do you like it?
Not that much.
It's behind us now anyway. Wow, what a view. We're right below it. Oh well, I think it's pretty cool anyway. We are spectacularly situated right now. And we have fresh snow, yeah. So from Dove Lake, we came up via Lake Wilkes and joined the face track that runs under Cradle Mountain and under Little Horn, which is what you can see there. Traversed across, and we're at the emergency hut near Twisted Lakes, ready to kind of make our way back towards the Dove Lake area. Might have to give Mount Campbell a miss because maybe a little short on time, just because we want to catch the bus and the last one's at 4 o'clock, so we'll have to see how we go there. But yeah, oh well, it's been an amazing loop though anyway, so it's not too much of a hardship. Decision time. Oh, actually not too different. So we go over Hanson's Peak, 1.5 hours to the car park, or we go Twisted Lakes, 1.45 to the car park.
I don't know.
Hanson's Peak. How fun. So named because they're all like twisted and stuff.
I'm not actually sure if Hanson's Peak was our high point for the day. Feels like it should be though, so I'm going to make that my reality. 360 degrees of sublime Tassie wilderness. And then, the inevitable descent back to the Dove Lake track.
I saw a bus come. We should see if we can get the next one. 15 minutes. So back at Dove Lake car park. We've done the loop. We didn't get to do Mount Campbell, unfortunately, mostly because I thought of missing the last bus today. It's horrendous because it's another 6 k's and it's getting dark, and we'd rather just go back and drink a beer. So with that in mind, it's almost beer o'clock. Actually, maybe hot cider o'clock. It's almost hot cider o'clock. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you next time. G'day.
G'day mate, how you going?
Good, man.